What's up, everybody? Feets here. This is my scrapping haul for the Memorial Day weekend. This is some junk I got from my dad's phone warehouse. Sad thing is when this stuff was new, it's probably about 60 or 70,000 bucks. Now it's garbage to the average person. This giant thing here, this is a voicemail from 20 or so years ago. Now it's on a chip embedded into the system. Ancient dinosaurs. Got here a Macrotel phone system box. Nice transformer. Nice Telecom board with some gold-plated stuff and chips. Pretty cool. Old monitor from the Vermont Teddy Bear Company. I don't know how you wound up with that. Oh, and brand new AC adapters. Bunches. Crappy keyboard. What else do I got here? Oh yeah, here's some Telecom boards. Notice the nice gold fingers on the end, gold plated. And this stuff will be thicker than the average gold plating because it's a Telecom board, thicker stuff. And boardsort.com buys this kind of stuff for $3.75 a pound, and they're pretty heavy anyway. What else oh yeah, power supplies, more gold, some aluminum transformer, and here's what's going to keep me busy probably for 5 years. This is what goes on your phone wire to plug it into the phone jack. And all the little metal pieces are gold plated. Notice this bag says 1,000 pieces. Joy, that's going to be fun breaking. Let me be here till Christmas. And the big letdown. Thought I had me something here till I read the side of the cable and it's copper clad steel. Garbage. I thought I heard of some idiot coming. Yeah. Never use monitor. Outdated. Copper. But that's my haul for today. Little quick add-on for my Saturday haul story. When I worked for my dad putting phones in, I was never allowed to touch these things, the Telecom boards. They come in these static bags. And I'm so staticky that if I touched one of those, I would fry it. And brand new, this was probably between $400 and $600 bucks for this. So I didn't touch them till now. I'm touching them. I am touching them. Okay, I'm officially crazy. See ya. This would be the second add-on. Turns out one of those spools I have down there is copper. And it's stamped on the cable that it's 895 feet. Woo-hoo. And it's all mine. See ya.